Nagtipo ng 1,000 mga kalahok sa Session Road, Baguio City alas 5 ng umaga noong ika-22 ng Pebrero para sa kauna-unahang Run for Luck Fun Run. Sa pangunguna ng Association of Baguio Chinese Filipino Youth Incorporated, ito ay bahagi ng isang linggong selebrasyon ng Chinese New Year at nagsilbing isang huling aktibidad bago ang opisyal na pagtatapos ng selebrasyon.
So right now we're promoting, of course, Chinese New Year in line with Chinese New Year or Year of the Horse. We have our Run for Luck 2026, so we aim to make sure that aside from, the usual traditions of having our Chinese New Year, ito namang run, of course, we all know that everyone's on Strava, everyone enjoys running, so it's also something that we want to do for this New Year. Right now, we were able to incorporate having a run, but for the previous years, we only had the usual Session Road and yung mga stalls, but now we wanted to have a twist, so we added the run. Right now, we have 1,000 runners who joined this event. We were checking the head count. Ang goal po sana is like 1,500, medyo ambitious, but at least we were able to reach 1,000 naman.
Layunin daw ng aktibidad na magbigay ng kakaibang paraan ng pagdiriwang ngayong taon, bukod sa karaniwang mga booths, stalls at parada na isinasagawa. Nagkaroon ng 3 kategorya ng distansya o ruta ang fun run, 10K, 5K at 3K.
It was kind of difficult for me, especially if you don't have that enough training. But it was fun naman as, na-engage ako mag-exercise even if I had a busy work life. So, yeah, the experience was good. It's good for my health. So, yeah.
Oh, great. It was good. I just did the 5K. I think next time I'll do the 10K. But what's great about Baguio is they have these things almost every weekend. I did one for the New Year back in January. Good. When it gets dark, it's a little uneven and you have to watch your step, but it was okay. Yeah.
Okay naman po. Actually, first time ko mag-5 kilometer. Okay naman, masaya.
Ang rutang tinahak ng mga kalahok ay umikot mula Session Road patungong Governor Park Road, Baguio General Hospital, Panagbenga Park at pabalik ng Session Road. Sinalubong din ang mga kalahok ng mga food and beverages stalls na nakapwesto sa finish line. Sa ngalan ni Maxine Nicolas, ako si Roy Laigo para sa Herald Express.